dear students. My name is Dr. KCH Apparao, working as a associate professor in mechanical department, aeronautical engineering, Hyderabad. Today, I want to give brief introduction about the automation techniques subject. So, these are the contents which are covered in this class. First of all, introduction to operation research. So, next one is the history of operation research and definition and features of the operation research we'll see, and scope of the operation research. So finally, methodology and approaches of operation research. So first of all, we'll see one by one. First we'll see the introduction of the operation research. Okay, so operation research is a science of rational decision making and the study and design and integration of complex situation and systems with a goal. What a goal? So the goal of predicting system behavior and improving or optimizing the system performance. So that is the so finally OR is the science of rational decision making and study and design and integration of complex situations and systems with a goal, with a purpose of predicting system behavior and improving or optimizing system performance. Okay, so uh, British or Europeans referred this subject name as a operational research, but Americans referred this subject as a operations research. So finally, both are often shortened to just war. So war is nothing but operational research or operational operations research. So war is nothing but optimization techniques. So okay, it is the discipline that deals with the just applications of advanced analytical methods to facilitate to just better decisions. Okay, so it is typically concerned with the determining the maximization, just maximization of profit or maximization of sales and output or efficiency, and minimization of the losses, just or risks or cost and time of some objective functions. Okay, so uh, next here just some primary tools which are used in this operation research are mainly statistics and game theory and probability theories, etc. So we'll see all these things. We'll see the history of this operation research or OR. So first of all, it was started in England during the Second World War. Okay, so because in the Second World War, England has some problems. It means so the shortage of the just like war materials. So their ultimate goal is to utilize those just war materials to reach the objective or to utilize the effectively to reach that goal. So it was initiated in England during World War II to make decisions regarding the best utilization of the war. So in those days, just like military officials just assigned 100 scientists to just like to analyze the optimized utilization of the materials. So by just like some techniques. So first of all, in this way, just like this method or this operation research was introduced in those days. So after that, just like after the war, just ideas advanced in military operations were just like adapted to improve the efficiency and productivity in the civilian sector. So that developed to today's dominant and indispensable decision making tools. So nowadays it is this war technique or our subject is using effectively in all areas, in just like in manufacturing sector, in just like in electronics, in the marketing, and in transportation, in every area. Because by this subject, we can identify the optimized parameters. Okay, so now we'll see the some definitions. There are so many definitions are given by different authors. So here some few definitions are given for the operational research. The first of all, we'll see the just like Arthur Clarke. Just it is given this definition. So according to him, just like it is an act of winning wars without actually fighting. Just like so, that is a definition given by Arthur Clarke. So next to H.M. Wagner. So he is given like this. It is a scientific approach to problem solving for executive management. It is nothing but scientific approach to problem solving for executive management. So here also given by it is given by H.M. Wagner. So last one, the churchman or a Kof or Arnoff. So just like given this definition, OR is the application of scientific methods, comma, techniques and tools to operation of a system with a optimum solution to the problem. Optimum solution to the problem. So in this way, there are so many definitions are given by different just like others. So here just like only few definitions are given. So now we'll see the features of the operational research. So what are the main features are included in the operational research? We'll see. The first of all, you'll see the decision making. So decision making. So we know that every industrial organization faces the multifaceted problems. So to identify best possible solution to the problems. Okay. So this decision making, it aims to help the executives to obtain the optimal solution with the use of just like OR techniques or optimization techniques. Okay. So that is for effective decision making, we can use the OR techniques. So second one is the scientific approach. Okay. So OR also applies scientific methods and techniques and tools. So for what purpose? The purpose of analysis and solution of complex problems. Analysis, solution of complex problem. Okay. So in this approach, there is no place for the guesswork or person bias of the decision maker. Okay. So by the help of scientific approach, we can analyze and give the solution to the complex problems. So that is one more feature of this operation research. So next one is the interdisciplinary team approach. So this team approach is very important. Okay, basically just like industrial problems are of a complex nature. Okay, so therefore require a team effort to handle it. So team effort is very uh, important. Okay, this team comprises of scientists, mathematicians, or technocrats, just who jointly use this OR tools to obtain the optimal solution of the problem. To obtain the optimal solution of the problems. So next one is the system approach. So important. Okay, so the main aim of this system approach is to just to trace out all significant and indirect efforts for each proposal of an all subsystem and a system. Okay, so why to evaluate each action in terms of the effects for the system as a whole. Okay, the interrelationship and the interactions of each subsystem so can be handled with the help of a so mathematical analytical models of OR by mainly to obtain just acceptable solutions. So in this way, just like system approach also very important. So next one is the use of computers. So it is also important. So because the models of war need a lot of computers, okay, a lot of computations. So therefore the use of computers basically necessary. So with the use of computers, so it is possible to handle the complex problems, so requiring a large amount of calculations. So it takes manually calculations takes more time, so by the help of computers we can perform. So next scope of operational research. So next one is the main scope of operational research is not only limited to any specific agencies, just like defense service, not only defense service, but today it is widely used in all industrial organizations, manufacturing sectors, etc. Okay, it can be used to find the best solution just to any problem. So be it simple or complex. Okay, so it is useful in every field of human activities. Okay, thus it attempts to resolve the conflicts of interest among the components of organization in a way that it is the best for the organization as a whole. So that is the main scope of the operation research. Okay, the main field where war is extensively used are the given. So okay, so these are the main fields where you are using operation research. So first one is the national planning and budgeting. So just like preparation of budget, nothing but preparation of annual budgets and forecasting of income or expenditure, just like scheduling of major projects of national importance, etc. There are so many budgeting systems are there. So by using the operational research, we can just like prepare the budgets optimistically, uh, um, in optimization way. Okay, so next one is the defense services. So it has wide application in the area, just like in defense services, mainly development of new technologies and optimization of cost and time. Next to setting and layouts of defense projects. Next to effective maintenance, replacement equipments, inventory control, it is very important, and transportation also very important. That is in so many areas, just like operation research subject has been using is using in defense services, industrial establishment and private sector units. Okay, war can be effectively used in just like plant location. Next to setting finance planning and so PPC and production planning and control and purchasing, so maintenance management. Next to replacement management also, and next to personal management also. So in so many areas, just like the subject, these techniques are used in industrial sectors. Okay, so next R&D also, R&D and engineering also. The war has a wide scope, and it can be applied in just like technology forecasting and just like evaluation and technology project and technology and project management, preparation of tender negotiations, value engineering, very important, work for our method study. So work study or method study in so many areas. So it has a whose uh, purpose in different areas, just like these are the main techniques or tools of the operational research to solve the problems in different areas. So first one is the linear programming, very important. Next to queuing theory, just for optimized decision making, and the sequencing of the just like job sequencing, and transportation problems, just minimization of the transportation cost through transportation problems. Next to integer problems and assignment problems, assigning of just like uh, m- mission to operator to perform different uh, just like operations, so in optimized way, just like next to game theory also, and the replacement problems and symbolic logics. So these are the main tools used for the uh, operation, used in the operation research, so to perform the uh, just like different problems, different realistic problems in the world ways. So these are the just like brief introduction of the operational research. So next class we'll see the so how to solve the linear programming problems, or how to formulate the problem into linear programming, and how to solve the linear programming problems. So thank you.
Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.